So in my last video, I was showing you how to find some things in the college databases. What I'd like to do in this one is to talk to you about annotated bibliographies. This is not something that you will get a grade for in the online class, although you will in the face-to-face class, but I promise you that if you do this, you will be able to see problems in your research well before you're sitting down to write. It can help you see sort of where your gaps are in your research, and it can help you find things that you might have lost. So I'm going to go over here to one of these articles and pretend that I'm going to read it. I'll pick this one. And so this is what it looks like inside EBSCOhost. You have sort of the entry here. You have a full text that you can read if you want to, but I want to show you something on this side here, these tools. It's a little hard to see because of the way that the screenshot is set up. But one of the things that you have here is the ability to click on this thing called Cite, and it will give you your MLA citation information without your having to know what goes where or any of that. All you have to do is come over here, highlight the MLA thing, click Control-C to copy, or you can also right-click, but I don't have a right-click on my laptop. And then you want to paste it into a Word document. I happen to have one set up here. This is just a blank Word document. I'm going to type Annotated Bibliography. I might even type it right. Graphy at the top, and now I'm going to open up a line here, and I'm just going to paste my thing right in there. You see, it kind of pastes funny if you do that. There are other ways to paste. Let me see. Edit, paste special, paste and match formatting. I'm going to click that one, and that'll get this. It'll look a little bit different when you do this in a Windows machine than it does here. What I would suggest is that you hover over your three options in the Windows machine and see which one is going to paste for you. So here's all of my information. I know who wrote this article now, I know what the name of it is, and in order to make it an annotated bibliography instead of just collecting the bibliographic information, you can type 2 or 3 sentences saying something like, this article has information in it about such and such. You basically do 2 or 3 sentences summarizing the article and especially explaining or reminding yourself what's in this article that will be useful for you to reference when you're doing your research. So I'll let that go for now and go back over to my thing here. Another thing that you can do with some of the citation stuff is click on permalink, and it'll give you a link up here in the box if it's possible to do it. You can actually also copy this, just highlight the whole thing, Control-C, and paste this into your Word document. Where's my Word document? Here we go. What this can do is not only give you the citation information, but also a place where you can click on this and go back to it later. What will happen if you click on this and you're not logged into Gateway anywhere is that it'll ask you just what it asked me in the first video, which is what's your username and what's your password. And again, your username is your Blackboard username and the password is your Blackboard password. So you can collect this information here. The other thing that this is going to be very useful for you to do is at the end of the research process, you will create a works cited page. If you've got all of your works cited information on this page already, all you're really doing is deleting the stuff you don't need, putting it in alphabetical order, and creating the hanging indent and opening up the spacing.